Now to breaking news for our viewers in the West. A luxury cruise ship was stranded in a remote area of Greenland in freezing Arctic temperatures. Stephanie Ramos joins us with how the ship was pulled free. Good morning, Stephanie.
Rebecca, good morning. The Ocean Explorer had been stuck in the sand and mud since Monday, but this morning that ship is finally free after some help from a large fishing research vessel. This morning, hundreds of passengers stranded aboard the luxury cruise ship running aground in Greenland are finally free after being stuck for several days. At more than $20,000 per person, the cruise, similar to the one shown here, promised views of the northern lights and stunning glaciers. The Ocean Explorer, with 206 passengers on board, set out from Norway on September 1st and was supposed to be halfway through a 22-day expedition in the Arctic Circle, but instead, it ran aground Monday, getting stuck in sand and mud in a remote, rugged area of the Northeast Greenland National Park, known for its long and typically deep fjords. While the crew waited for assistance, a passenger interviewed by Australian media said the crew had lowered the lifeboats, the anchor, and emptied water to try to lighten its load. That passenger also saying there were patients with COVID on the boat. Aurora Expeditions, the Australian-based company that operates the ship, says that all along the passengers and crew were safe. They also say that there was never any immediate danger to themselves, the vessel, or the surrounding environment.